Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today for you I have a little different type of video. I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own custom nail polish for your favorite sports team. I have been wearing one lately that I got from Penny Bloom Polish, and they have a great way of creating your own custom polish for your favorite team. So I thought I would walk you through that and then show you some nails that I did to support my favorite team. First off, you are going to start by going to the Penny Bloom website, then going to the Design Your Own Nail Polish. Then you're going to pick the Design a Team polish. After you get there, you have a whole bunch of options. You can pick from basketball, baseball, hockey, soccer, and so on. But I'm going to be showing you how to create football polish since the Super Bowl is coming up. So here basically you go and choose your city for your team, and for this example I'm going to be showing you how to create a Jacksonville, Florida polish. There is where you get to pick all of your glitters. I use the turquoise Holo Flakes, the black Holo Hex, the gold Holo Hex small, and the black metallic squares in medium. And then you get to pick out your like white dots, and you get to pick out your size. And after that, you name your polish with whatever you would like to name it, and then you add it to your cart and order it. And before you know it, you are going to have your very own custom polish for your sports team, which I think is just super cool. And if you have any issues with the site, because sometimes it acts funny if you're on a mobile device, you can email the creator. There should be a contact us section on the website, or you can message her on Instagram and she will be super helpful and help you guys get that ready. So here is a look at the polish that I created for the Jacksonville Jaguars. And now on to some art. Really quick, before we actually start the art portion of this video, I just wanted to let you know that I will not be filming how I did the Jags nail, because that I had to get in a whole bunch of weird ways. So now we are moving on to the art. First off, I'm going to show you how to create the cheetah print nail, in this case the Jaguar print nail, and I am starting with a gold polish as my base color because gold and turquoise, teal, and black are their colors. So then I'm going in with my teal color, and I am just kind of dotting it all over the nail as you would for a normal cheetah print or leopard manicure. After you have that part done, you want to grab some black, either black nail polish or black acrylic paint, and a small fine brush, or you could use a small dotting tool and kind of just make little lines or dots around your teal blobs, and that will help you create your cheetah print, leopard, jaguar print look. And then after you have all of your dots surrounded, I suggest just taking your brush and like putting in little disformed dots in the empty space, kind of just to bring it all together, and it just fills it in and makes it look more complete. When I first started cheetah prints, I didn't know to do that, but when I finally figured that out, it really helped, and I feel like it makes it just look more complete. Now I'm going to apply my black polish to my ring finger, which is going to be the base for my glitter topper that I showed you how I created earlier. And it's a really great like packed glitter topper, so I'm really only going to need to put one coat on top, and that's about it. So I'll let that dry, and as the black dries, I'm going to go ahead and add my teal onto my index finger and my pinky finger. In this case, I also did do my thumb as well, however, that is not on camera. After that is done and my black is dry, I'm going in with the glitter topper and just finishing up my ring finger. And following the ring finger, I'm going to take that same glittery polish and use it as a gradation coming down on my pinky finger. You could continue this on your index finger and your thumbnail. I actually did my thumbnail as well, but as you guys already know, I did something different on my index finger, which is off camera, but it was fun to do, and you just saw a little bit up here. So right now, I am just going in with top coat on my cheetah print finger, and I am going to quickly work and use a rhinestone tool and place 5 or so rhinestones at the cuticle part of my nail, kind of just putting it in a moon-like shape. Just to add a little something extra to the manicure. And after I am done with that, that is all I'm going to do. I'm just going to let those set and make sure that they will stick. And now I've got my full manicure on and it is time for top coat. I did do all of the Jags art on my index finger with acrylic paint, which was very, very helpful. It made it a lot easier than if I had been using nail polish, for sure, but it was just still a bit too hard to film, so hopefully you don't mind me skipping over that bit. But really there you could just do the glitter gradation or you could do your sports team logo. And now I'm just adding top coat to all my nails, and that is it. And here's your final look at my fun Jacksonville Jaguar manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing how to create your custom sports team polish and then the nail art. It was a fun one for me to do. I haven't done anything like this on camera or really in a long time, so it was nice to do something different and support my home team. And here is the final picture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you're all caught up on my most recent videos. Also want to wish the Jaguars good luck at their game this weekend. We'll be rooting for you.